To all of you, myself Rahul Agnihotri and I am from class 10th D and it is my science project. Our topic is pH scale. pH is a measure of how acidic or basic water is. The range goes from 0 to 14 with 7 becomes neutral. pH of less than 7 indicates acidity whereas pH of greater than 7 indicate basicness. pH is really a measure of the relative amount of hydrogen and hydroxyl ion in the water. Water that has more free hydrogen ions is acidic, whereas water that has more free hydroxyl ion is basic. Since pH can be affected by chemicals in the water, pH is important indicator of water that is changing by chemically. pH is reported in logarithmic units. pH is represented a tenfold change in the acidity or basicness of the water. Water with the pH of 5 is 10 times more acidic than the water having pH of 6. This is the image of pH scale. In this we are given that 7 is a neutral and less than 7 there is given that they are acidic and more than 7 are alkaline or basic. Importance of pH in our everyday life. pH plays a very important role in our everyday life. First, in our digestive system, hydrochloric acid produced in our stomach helps the digestion of food without causing any harm to our stomach. But when the amount of acid goes beyond the limit due to indigestion, pain and irritation are created in the stomach. So, in order to neutralize the effect of excess acid, a mild base called antacid is usually taken. Example, magnesium hydroxide. Milk of magnesia is a mild base which is usually used as an antacid. Second, acid causes tooth decay. When we eat sugary food, it gets degraded by bacteria present in our mouth and acid is formed. When the pH becomes lower than 5.5, tooth enamel gets corroded. Saliva, which is slightly alkaline, produced in our mouth neutralizes some acid, but excess acid remains unaffected. The excess acid can be removed only by using toothpaste, which is alkaline. Neem stick contains alkaline juice, so the cleaning of tooth by neem stick also helps to reduce the tooth decay. Acid is produced in fatigue muscles. As a result of physical exercise, stiffness and pain in the muscle is charged due to the formation of lactic acid. The supply of oxygen in the muscle is reduced. This causes difficulty in the release of energy, leading to increase in the rate of anaerobic metabolism. As a result, lactic acid gets accumulated in the muscle. Fourth, some animals and plants contain acid. Honeybee. Bee injects an acid through its sting, which causes pain and irritation. Hence, a mild base like baking soda is applied to treat the wound. Nettle leaf, which has stinging hairs, when touched, injects formic acid in our body. This causes burning pain. As a remedy, affected area is rubbed with the dock plant. The dock plant is alkaline, which neutralizes the effect of the acid. Fifth, pH of soil. Soil are generally acidic. Plants require a definite pH range of their proper growth. They do not grow properly in highly acidic or highly alkaline. So, highly acidic soil is treated by spreading quicklime, scaled lime, or calcium carbonate to lower its acidity. Sixth, are plants and animals pH sensitive? Our body works within the pH range of 7 to 7.8. Living organism can survive only in a narrow range of pH change. When pH of rainwater is less than 5.6, it also called acid rain. When acid rain flows into the rivers, it lowers the pH of river water. The survival of aquatic life in such rivers become difficult. Thank you.